Day trading frustration. Why I walk away when I start to get frustrated. Talking about it in this video. What's going on, guys? So no live trading today, no trading in general. This morning, I had some technical issues. My computer, I don't know what it was doing, but it just did not want to work. It was lagging. I would try to move my mouse around. It was lagging. I couldn't record anything. It was one of those mornings. One of those mornings when you wake up and you start feeling it. You're like, something's bad. Something's bad. I'm not feeling it right now, so I'm going to walk away. And that's what I did. I was able to just walk away. I told myself, I'm done. I'm not going to mess with it. I'm going to restart my computer, try to run some software fixing. I don't know. I'm just going to walk away. I'm going to go do other things that I need to do anyway. And I'm not going to try to force it, because what happens when you force it? What happens when you try to trade frustrated is you end up losing. You end up taking trades that you wouldn't have taken when you had a clear head, or you get greedy. There's all these things that happen, and I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to play into that. You can see I'm not just making this video to show you like, oh, hey, you know, I traded, or I'm hiding something. You can see I didn't trade anything today. There's no trades. This is my P&L. There's no trades. Nothing happened today. So I literally woke up. I logged in. I started doing stuff. I started to get the live stream ready, and then my computer went to crap. So I was like, hey, I messed with it for a little bit. I could start feeling myself getting frustrated. I started getting more and more frustrated, and I was like, no, I'm not going to do this. I'm not going to get frustrated. I'm not going to have issues. So I want to stress that point. Very, very important that you guys need to be able to kind of be aware of how you are. Be aware of yourself with a sense of, hey, I'm getting frustrated, or hey, I can feel myself over trading, or hey, I can feel myself getting greedy, or there's something going on. I'm not clear in the head right now, and I need to walk away. I need to be done, take my profit, or whatever it is. I need to walk away. And I think that's a lot of people have issues with when they're trading. They don't understand. You need to walk away sometimes. You need to be done sometimes. You need to just call it a day. So that's kind of my little speech for the day, talking about how, I walked away when I felt that frustration, when I was mad at my computer. So I've actually ordered a new computer. I bought a new computer because of this computer being so slow and having issues recently. It'll be here next week. So I got a new computer on the way. I'm pretty stoked about this computer. If you follow me on Twitter, you know what computer I bought. I'm pretty excited for this new computer. It wasn't cheap, but I think it's going to be a good investment going forward for all the video editing and everything that I'm doing right now. I need to have the Mac Daddy computer, and I think I got the one. So talking about some of the stocks that moved around this morning, kind of recapping, taking a look at what was moving. Some of the alerts in the chat room this morning, actually. LTEA was alerted this morning. Trying to look for that break over $10. Looking back here, you can see 930. We didn't get that break. So 930, this thing got stuck here at open. This morning, pre-market, it jumped up to the $15 area. It pulled back. No shares, just short. I was trying to play this one. I couldn't even buy. I couldn't sell. My computer was so slow and lagged, and I just walked away. But LTEA, try to get back up there at open. You can see it jumped up there to about 952. Couldn't go higher. Couldn't get above that $10 area. That $10 area would have been a key area to watch here for that kind of reversal. Looking for that $10 break, and then looking for that move up there to $11. So you would have seen, $10 break, $10 break there at open. We get a spike, but it didn't happen. We got a spike there pre-market at $15. It pulled back and then couldn't go higher. Had issues. No shares, just short. This would have been a beautiful short this morning from the $15, $14 area. Really, you can see, it got up there to the $15 area and then could not make a new high. So that was a clear area, like, okay, this is having issues. You can see right here, $14 area, kind of double top there at that issue, having that resistance there, and then pulling back down there to $8 area right before the market opened. Or actually pulled all the way down to $7. So almost a 50% drop there if you would have shorted from the $14 area before open down there to $7. So beautiful move there on LTEA if you did get in on that short. That's like textbook short right there. LBIX, another alert this morning, looking for that break over $2. Did not happen again. So these stocks are alerted ahead of time before the move happens in case, these setups do happen. So looking for that move over $2. You can see this morning right there at open, it went from $1.58 up there to $1.93 and then pulled back pretty hard back down there to $2.55. So right now it's kind of moving us sideways across there. Not a ton of volume on this one. NXTD, I think, was a hot one this morning. I saw a lot of people talking about it on StockTwits, etc. And you can see this morning, NXTD from the $4 area running up there to $8.50. Beautiful move here. I'm kind of gutted that I wasn't here to trade this because this was literally just too easy looking. You can see it went from $4 with bell open there, $4 up there to $6.50. It pulled back. Bouncing off that $5, bouncing off the EMA. This is the 5-minute chart. Looking at the 1-minute chart, a little bit better idea, but you can see got extended there. It pulled back, bouncing off the EMA, finally, you know, making another high. What was that, 670 area? So got those 670 double top, having an issue there, pulled back, and then boom, look at this, over 670, up there to 860. So nice little move there on NXTD. Hot one today, hot one to trade. Was alerted in the chat room. This is the first alert actually right here. See the first alert there at 481 to buy NXTD, and looking for that move above $5. Another alert there on NXTD for 626 to buy. Looking for that move to 674. Just break over that 676 area. So boom, up there to 860. Can't complain about that. There's days like this where it's going to be easy trades, going to be amazing trades. You're going to miss out on it. Things are going to happen, but there's always tomorrow. There's always the next day. I'm not worried about it, but pretty cool to see the alerts in the chat room working out for a lot of the members. Everyone making money today, and that's what it's all about. If you guys haven't already, make sure you send me an email. We'll get you in for a free trial of the chat room. All the alerts are sent out live before they happen, real time. It's not like a, you know, delay. It's not like, oh, hey, I bought this stock at $4. You guys should buy it too. These are alerted before the move, and you can get ready and have time and really plan out your trade. But some great trades today. I walked away, like I said, no trading for me today. I felt the frustration. It was early in the morning. I was frustrated, and I was like, it's too early for me to be frustrated. It's too early for me to get into a bad mood or whatever I want to do. I'm just going to walk away. I'm not going to let that emotion affect my trading today, and I'm going to just keep my money. I'm going to walk away and just go work on things I need to work on. But I'll be back tomorrow morning. I think I got my computer working, 9 a.m. Let's do it tomorrow morning, live, day trading. Tune in. If you guys haven't already, I'm giving away 3 Litecoin on the channel. Make sure you go watch that video, subscribe, do all the things, because somebody out there is getting 1 Litecoin. Well, 3 people are getting 1 Litecoin apiece Christmas morning. Gonna be doing it live on YouTube. No ifs, ands, or buts. It's gonna be pretty cool. So stay tuned and hit that subscribe button. Talk to you guys later.